Alisin mo yung bulsa mo.
Yeah, wait. Before you start, you have to greet your audience. Okay? Okay, for those who are listening to you, you have to pay respect. Okay, good afternoon to all of you. I'm going to present my Get Up and Go as Japan. How do I know that my youth all is spent? Well, my Get Up and Go has got up and go. But in spite of it all, I'm able to dream when I recall my Get Up as old age is calling, so I hear this said. But sometimes I wonder, when I get into bed, my ears in the drawer, my feet in the couch, my eyes on the table until I wake up. My get up and go was got up and go. How do I know that my youth's all is spent? Well, my get up and go has got up and go. But in spite of it all, I'm able to win when I recall my get up as baby. Old age is calling, so I hear it say. Sometimes I wonder, when I get into bed, my ears in the door, my feet in the couch, my eyes in the table until I wake up. The sleep dims my eyes. So I say to myself, is there anything else I should lay on the shelf? And I'm happy to say, as I close my door and turn start, the same thing. Perhaps when I was young, my slippers are red, but still I could. My slippers are red. I could kick up my heels right over my head. When I grew older, my slippers are blue, but still I could dance the moonlight through. When I get older, my slippers are black. I walk to the store and pack my way back. That's the reason I know my youth always spent. My got up and go has got up and go. I don't mind when I recall my dream of all the places I ever been. Since I have retired from night's competition, I busy myself with complete recognition. I get up each morning, dust off my wings, pick up some papers in the paper. If my name is missing, I know I'm not dead. So I get a good breakfast and go back.